Transit Custom physically doesn't come any better than this. It's a Transit Custom 320, long wheelbase limited, 2-litre diesel, 170 PS, registered within the last couple of weeks, only done 600 miles, VAT qualifying, but then it's had a full Motion Arm Mastercraft Edition complete overhaul. Exterior styling, interior styling, rear, everything has been changed. Now these are a beautiful and very rare vehicle. The colour is black, but then it's had a full exterior overhaul. So you've got metallic black, new grille. We'll come up close and have a look. It's got forged carbon exterior styling everywhere. So the side vents, forged carbon, front splitter, where you've then got that elongated new bumper that they've put on the vehicle as well. Now, as a core van, it's one of the best anyway. It's one of the most popular selling, but also the most practical because it's the long wheelbase, 3-seater. You've got that huge space in the back, but then it just gives you that style. So you've got specific Motion R wheels, 19-inch gloss black multi-spokes, nice red detail and just sits in on the hubcap, but then you've got the Motion R down the side. Have a little quick glance at the interior. So it's got full quilted leather, all Motion R. Steering wheel even has forged carbon on with Motion R. You see it on the dash, you'll see it on the door cards, but we'll come back to that in a second. Have a look at the rear. So the rear has all been soundproofed. You've got upgraded LED lighting system from the drop roof. Now I'll show you the colour change we can do on those LEDs in a second. So if you're looking for a van, VAT qualifying, VAT registered business, but you want something for the weekend, I don't know, you might go mountain biking, motorbiking, camping, fishing, you might do whatever you want to do, but you want to do it in something that's incredibly good looking, and you're getting a brand new van. Some of these kits and conversions that are done on older vans, this is brand new, 25 plate, 600 miles, forged carbon, all down the side splitter, alloy wheels again, like I've already mentioned, forged carbon spoiler, forged carbon rear splitter. You've got the rear liftgate, and if you have a look, you can see soundproofing has all been done. So you've got all the soundproofing, bed lining, absolutely brand new. You've then got your different colours which you can control from your remote pad at the back. You've also got the normal lights as well. But for me, it's just incredibly cool van, inside, outside, and then wait till we get to the driver's seat. So if you're just taking the full shape of the van, so long wheelbase just gives you that extra flexibility for what you might carry. The short wheelbase are a good van, but the long wheelbase just means you've got that extra space, and if you can have the extra space, then you would obviously want it. Now, the way we've priced these, if you compare it to others, please do your research. The core van itself, 2-litre diesel, long wheelbase, limited 320, gives you the highest payload, the best diesel engine, automatic gearbox. So that in itself is a cracking van. And then the finer details I've touched on and will continue to touch on are just an absolute massive seller. So you've got the 3 quilted seats in the front, MC edition in the headrest, Motion R, full quilted leather, beautiful seats. The steering wheel, which I hope the camera will pick the detail up. So you've got forged carbon on the top, leather on the dash. You've also even got it on your door cards as well. Traffic sign recognition, done 606 miles, so it's close to new as you'll get really. Traffic sign recognition, speed, everything all comes up in this section here. You've then got your huge tablet where your Apple CarPlay, your Android, but also your climate control. So they've just massively cleaned the front of these vans now. They're just very clear. One screen has all your information. If I pop it into reverse, rear view camera, front and rear sensors. You've even got your little ducats and storage, etc. all around it. So if you're looking for a special van, then this is an unbelievable buy. We've priced it, it's gone live. Any queries about how you can buy it, part exchange and funding options. Now I know we say this in videos and we say that vehicles sell fast, but I can guarantee that this van will sell within 24 hours. So if you want to have a chat about how you can buy it, how you can fund it, if you have a part exchange or any genuine questions, feel free to give me a shout direct. My name is Paddy. I'll answer any questions that you've got.